Hey everybody, welcome. Yes, I am wearing a tiny little apron. To begin, we have to tie up our hair. Yes, girl. Get those oven mitts ready. I just wanted to show you guys that I already had some of the meat cooking. We're making some little ribs. So I love using jasmine rice to make white rice. It's so great. It has to be jasmine rice. And I bought it just in time because I was running low. So here I am pouring it into my little glass container. All right, so now you're going to grab your measuring cups and measure out exactly 1 cup of rice. Take your rice, put it in the strainer, and wash your rice. Now I'm going to show you the correct way to make rice. Now you take some cooking oil, just a little bit, and make sure you put it all over the bottom of the pan. The heat is going to be on low, and you're going to take your rice and toss it in. Now you're going to mix everything until you feel the texture of the rice become different. Keep stirring. Now it's ready. Throw in the water, 2 cups. Don't forget your seasonings. And give it a good mix. Pick up the heat and come back for part 2.